Let's go for a ride.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is ModiMakes, and today we're going to be switching it up from what I've been doing recently, because I've been doing a lot of very large, more complicated pieces like the Rat King, where I had to cut it out to the frames, or the one I did last week where it was 6 vinyls put into a giant rectangular piece, and go back to doing something that's just a little bit of a smaller, more normal canvas, just because those larger pieces, while they're very fun and I really enjoy making them, they do take a lot of effort and a lot of time. And also, not everyone always has the ability to be able to put stuff like that up in their house. So, they're not necessarily as always as easy to sell as some of the smaller canvases might be, especially since you gotta charge a lot more for them. And like I said, not everyone has room for that in their home. So I'm gonna be going to doing a smaller canvas again, something about the size of the Gaucho, which I did a while back if you remember that piece. And if not, I'll have a card set up right there for you to check it out if you would like to. And this time I'm going to be continuing the Blue Meanies series with the Fox. And this piece is inspired by fox masks from kabuki theater culture, or just kabuki theater in Japanese culture. And the foxes in kabuki culture are heavily inspired by what they are seen as in Shintoism, which are basically messengers from the gods. And so in order for me to get that kind of right vibe, I used certain colors to bring out the whites and the reds that they like to use a lot in those kabuki masks. And you'll see that while I'm doing the sketch that I also added in the classic string with that sometimes has bells or other decorations on it. I put little golden bells on it that are very popular with those kabuki masks. So with all out of the way, let's get into it, shall we? there you have it, my peoples. The fox is complete, and you know, it was really, really nice to finally get to finish a painting all in one sitting again like that. It has been so long since I've been able to do that, just by the nature of the paintings that I generally work on in size and, you know, in construction and just shape and stuff like that. It generally takes me at least 2 full days to finish a painting, sometimes even more than that. And it just really brought me back to be able to just sit down and bust out a painting all in one sitting like that. And it just felt really nice. I really enjoyed making this piece. But as always, let me know what you guys think of the piece down in the comments below. You know, if you liked the video, then go ahead and give me a like. That would be amazing. If you have any questions about the video or any comments about anything you would like to see me do in the future, leave all those down in the comments below as well. That would be fantastic. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, then the best thing that you can do is to subscribe. I truly can't thank you enough if you do. It would be amazing. And with all that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get in those final shots, shall we?
Thanks for watching.